Today, I'm going to tell you what to do if your biryani rice is undercooked. Normally, biryani rice gets undercooked because of two reasons. If amount of water we add to the biryani rice is not sufficient. Next, suppose we cook the biryani rice in using a high flame, the water added to cook the biryani rice gets evaporated quickly and then the rice remains undercooked. Now quickly let us see how to repair this undercooked biryani rice. Whenever we cook biryani rice in a pot, it becomes very easy because we need to add the necessary water at intervals and then check for its cooking. Now let's see how to do. Keep some boiled water and add a little water first to the biryani pot and then slowly stir the biryani rice using a fork without disturbing the grains and breaking it. Now make the flame very low and then cook it on and place the lid of the pot. Now cook it for a few minutes. Now open the lid and check for how much the rice is cooked. When we feel that it is still not cooked, we can add some more boiling water in small quantities and then cook it on slow flame. Now next is using a pressure cooker. When we use a pressure cooker, if suppose the rice is very dry without water, you can first try by adding a glass of water. Use the same glass in which you have used the taken biryani rice to measure. Place the pressure cooker on the gas stove, cook it for one whistle and then you can check for its cooked nature of the rice. If suppose it is still not cooked, you can add some more water to it and then give a whistle more.